Alright, creating this ruffle. Like, what you're gonna need is just the fabric you want to use. I use this type of elastic, and then I make sure it's on zigzag stitch. I have it pretty wide, 4.5, and make sure your tension is right for your fabric. Okay, so I've already done that other side. So what I do, of course the elastic goes on the inside. I just do this to try to measure where the middle is. Put a little pin in there, just like to get an estimate. Then I get the elastic, just place that on there, remove the pin. And I always like to leave a little space because you just never know. And then start a little bit back so that your fabric, your machine doesn't eat your fabric up. And I like to backstitch just cause. So now I just eyeball it to like whatever width is over here and just try to keep it like steady with my left hand and go a little bit. And then once you feel secure, then just pull on the elastic, but not the fabric, just kind of like guide it. Let me see, then pull on it. And of course you can measure it in the middle, like to make it easier to know what the middle is. Like sometimes I use chalk, but this is so little, like I don't need it. Anyway, pull and pull. And then just cut it off. And this is how the inside looks. And here we have the outside. Then I am about to sew these edges right here with my serger. And I'm going to add the ruffles on there as well. Oh yeah. So that way this will be a whole piece. All right, so now I have serged the edges. And of course, if you don't have a serger, you can just do a zigzag stitch on the edges. And here I have pinned the elastic. All right, so now start pulling and pull. And now what we have is a puffer thing. Yes, baby.